How to fix Google Pixel not connecting to Wi-Fi? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to fix Google Pixel not connecting to Wi-Fi. Now without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, go ahead and open the device settings. Once it opens, scroll down and locate the option of Wi-Fi. Tap on it. Make sure you have connected to any Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, tap on the Wi-Fi and try to toggle off the button of Wi-Fi for a while and turn it on after the few seconds like 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Once you have done that process, tap on the Save Network and then the icon next to the connected Wi-Fi. Once you open this About Network page of this Wi-Fi, simply you can tap on Forget button and forget the password for a while and again reconnect to this Wi-Fi. If this Wi-Fi is not connecting well, you can also try other saved network Wi-Fis or the Wi-Fi network from this available networks if you know the password. Once you have done that, you need to restart the device. For that, you can simply hold on your power button on your device and you will get the option for restart. So simply with the help of this small circle icon, you can drag towards restart and restart the device. After that, try connecting Google Pixel to Wi-Fi and your Google Pixel will automatically be connected to Wi-Fi. So that is how we can fix the issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, subscribe for more tech and tips videos.